We got the whole still out here, man. You know what's going on. Filling up the bucket. One bro sitting on right now, it's like 12, 15 crappie in there, you hear me? Facts.
Yeah, shit was going on over here. I think that. Look on the bottom.
Huh?
Yeah. Like in your head.
Shit, I'm tired as a bitch. I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry as a motherfucker.
Hey, you had big footage out here too.
Yeah. Mad footage. I got mad content to upload. We got mad content uploaded today, man. I know what's going on out this bitch. I ain't gonna hold you. You gotta go out Lebanon. That's where we gotta go. If we go out Lebanon, boy, I'm telling you, that's where you wanna go at. This shit look clear as a bitch. Keeping this shit right here. That motherfucker swimmed up the stream. Screamed up the motherfucking. I think we just caught a pike. Wasn't that a pike you said? Yeah, pikes do look crazy. Bagging all that work or showed it all, you can't even get a gram. Niggas wanna talk like they be with it. Just like Uncle Sam. Jaja and that Juju in the beat. Nigga rhyme with my man. Hop out with my polar. Hop out with that chop, we hit his head. He thought she was sweet until I laid him down. Can't even. Man, what we doing, man? Spin it again, how about that? Take no flame. It's really scratchy and niggas doing too much illegal acting. We ain't catching one fish since I've been recording. I said, we ain't catch one fish since I've been recording. I've been recording for 3 minutes.
But I'm saying you got slabs, though.
Yeah, we definitely got straight slabs in there, man.
You know what I'm saying? Shit
Oh,
coming
real
out of the
deal
corner.
in that bitch, you hear me?
Size of your boot, man. Look at that.
Slabs. Sandwiches, all sandwiches in there. Fish sandwiches. Cheese and chicken of the water. Me? Chicken of the, we got. Hey, chat, hold on.